Well, my friends, I'm back in front of a Kitamura machine, and one of my favorite things to do of all time, other than bragging about Kitamura, because I do really enjoy it, and Dr. Kitamura, thank you for being a friend, is when I get a new victim on camera. Yes, I got Nick. First time on camera, my buddy Kerry was like, get him on there. He's young, he's amazing, he's got shop experience. Let's get him talking. How do we do, Nick?
Doing good.
Yeah?
Doing good.
So far we're doing all right?
Yeah, doing good.
So Kitamura itself, we know this machine, we know the automation, we know the bed that's in it, we know the casting that Dr. Kitamura loves to make sure that it is heavy and rigid and vibration dampening. Absolutely. We know the software. I've walked through your facility in Japan. There's machines running from 1971 because the software was upgraded, and I know Dr. Kitamura loves all that as well. I'm not going to steal all your thunder because you guys are constantly evolving, doing good. I've been to so many customers thriving off of your products around the country and around the world. But I want to talk about what some of the benefits that you like most about Kitamura, coming from a machine shop environment, that you go, you know what, this is where Kitamura can help all these folks watching right now win in their machine shops as well.
Really, the big thing for me is the repeatability of our machines. It's really easy to set up your part, check it once, make sure that it's good, and then you keep on running however you need to run. You know that the next parts are going to be good. That was the big thing that stood out for me when I first came to Kitamura was, wow, I don't need to check my parts over and over and over again. Just figuring out, hey, they're going to be good at the end of your run. It's an amazing feeling.
And I've heard your customers say that as well, Nick. And I think back to my machining days, and I did have to check every single part. I won't throw anyone under the bus, but the machines I was running at that time, sometimes things shifted. I felt like I could just press the green button, go every single time, and I get a different part every single time. Super frustrating. So I agree, repeatability is there. But I also think back to the rigidity of the machine and how many tools I used to go through and how much tools could live longer on machines like Kitamura as well. And then your adaptation in the field. So let's say if you folks out there want to invest in a Kitamura, you know you need it, you know the reliability, the precision, the quality, the years and years, decades and decades that have gone into it. But you can't get all the pieces at one time. You actually do what's in the field additions. Let's talk a little bit about that.
Yeah, so that's the great thing about, the construction of our machines. We construct them in the way that you're able to buy the machine at first, you're able to set up your process, get everything proven out, and then later down the line, when you need a pallet pool, when you need an extra magazine for more tooling, boom, you order it and it just bolts right up, seamless integration, and now you have, the ability to run all night long. You have, 100 extra tools to add another part family to your existing parts and keep on running and just add more money to, your shop and be more productive.
Nick, I think about this and in my head, I'm already chuckling a little bit. As you say it out loud, I'm thinking to myself, okay, I bought a machine. And then I get sick and tired of loading and unloading all these different jobs and these hot jobs and these things that I need to do in order to make money. And I have to quote hire because I have all this downtime. My machine spindle's not turning. With Kitamura, I don't have to invest in a whole nother cell to say, I should have gone with automation to begin with. I can now go, you know what? Let's just tack it on. Like Legos. I'm a big fan of Legos. Let's just and you mentioned it. So pallet change systems, but oftentimes with pallet change systems, it's going to be a high mix or low volume or a whole lot of one part. I'm going to need more tooling. And you guys have adapted to this situation to truly cater to the folks out there. To me, that's brilliant.
Absolutely. Yeah, that's the great part is just when you can grow with your machine. If you need to add more parts on, the machine can grow with you and basically adapt to your needs.
Yeah, all right. The last thing I'm going to throw you under the bus on today is I apologize for calling you a victim, but we love when someone joins us on camera for the first time. Hopefully not the last time. If Kerry has anything to do with it, you will definitely be on here again. But we're here today at the Center for Machining Excellence in partnership with Rego-Fix. This machine is literally in the showroom, and we're about to interrupt a presentation, but it's dropped on the showroom in partnership with Rego-Fix. What does this partnership mean to you, and why did Kitamura want to be a part of this truly unique building that Rego-Fix has put together?
Yeah, so this partnership does definitely mean a lot to us. Working with Rego-Fix is a great partnership. Personally, for me, they're my go-to tools. The ease, the accuracy, the grip that you can get with the power grip system, it's by far my go-to. But for us, you know, they help us out, we help them out. It's a really good relationship. But really the systems work great together. You know, the accuracy that they hold with their tool holders works great with the accuracy that our machines are capable of holding. So high-end, you know, when you have a high-end solution for tooling, you want to bring it to a high-end solution in your machine as well.
Do you remember the very first thing that we talked about in this conversation about what you like about Kitamura and being able to have reliability? Tell me how you just finished this thing off. Does it completely bring that full circle? When you talk about repeatability of the parts over and over and over again and having, I mean, you said it. With RegoFix, you have that trusted partner as your go-to, and that goes directly into the repeatability and not needing to measure every single part as it comes off, doesn't it?
It just makes the machining, you know, a lot easier.
Did you do this on purpose?
No, didn't plan it.
No, I didn't plan. First time on camera, didn't plan it and brought everything full circle. I absolutely agree with you, Nick. Thank you so much for being on camera with us today, describing the machine, describing the partnership, and helping the audience understand a little bit more about why all of these facets should come together. This is what happens when you bring all the components together, the inside of the machine itself, to make sure that you're putting out good products every day. Your customers are happy, you're happy, we're all making money, and Nick doesn't have to be on camera anymore. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you again soon.